Hello guys, gusto nga pala ng ating bida na mag-practice ng zigzag cable kaya ating panoorin. Bago ang lahat, kung hindi ka pa naka-follow sa aking Facebook page baka naman, at wag yung kakalimutan ng aking YouTube. Maraming salamat. So magsisimula na tayo.
Ano? G!
Another one. Another one.
Think about the future.
Another one. Another one.
Yun na yun? Remember, we asked for an
Another one.